Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be walking through the RV that we got put in for a place for me to stay when I'm out here on and off over the next 6 months working on the living half. And whatever I don't get done, when me and my wife move out here to Amarillo in June of next year, we are going to be living in the travel trailer until the living portion is at least good enough for us to move into. So this video is going to be more of a vlog, not going to do a whole lot of work, but we will walk over some of the stuff that we did for plumbing to get the travel trailer sewage to drain into the septic system. And but other than that, we're just going to be walking around looking at the trailer, making a quick look on the inside. So it should just be a quick short video, short and sweet, and we'll look at our living accommodations where I'm going to be spending a good chunk of my time over the next year or so. Well, there she is. She may not be much to look at, but I got her cheap, and I still don't think I got a very good deal, if that tells you anything about it. In reality, it's been a struggle, a frustrating struggle that sucked up a lot of my time over the last 3 or 4 days. There's a lot of things on it that I thought were working that ended up not working. But we can talk about those here in a little bit. First thing we'll do is we'll kind of walk around the outside. It's a Sprinter Copper Canyon. Been pretty heavily used. It's a 2006 trailer, but decent looking trailer from the outside. It has one slide out over here to give us a little bit more room on the inside. So while we're down here looking at it, I'll go ahead and show y'all the kind of poop chute that my dad and I built when he was out here in order to drain the sewage from the RV into our septic. So here is the sewage dump on the RV. We have our drain that kind of wraps around here, keeps wrapping its way around here, cuts under the RV. Travel trailer, I call it an RV a lot, but it's not self-propelled. Come over here and it dumps into a drain that will tie back into the septic. Okay, so walking back in to the RV, I guess we can jump over here real quick. I showed it in an earlier video, but the electrician, when he wired up the shop half of the building, did go ahead and wire in a 30 amp plug just so I had something to plug the RV into. But you go up here, walk into the RV, and you can see the absolutely gorgeous, even though it's a 2006, interior decorating styles in RVs must be 10 years behind. But you can see the absolutely beautiful floral interior with the nice floral wallpapers. But looks aside, it really is. It's gonna be a comfortable RV, comfortable place to stay. With that slide out open, it's big. You walk over to here, you got the kitchen area, sink, countertop. It's got a propane stove. It's got the fridge, which doesn't work. I thought it worked. Does not work. Has a bad cooling unit. If anyone is selling a discounted Dometic RV fridge cooling unit, please message me. The ones online are going to run me $450, and I haven't decided whether or not it's worth it. For $450, I can just buy a fridge on Craigslist and keep it out in the shop. So I don't know if it's worth fixing it or not, but if anyone's got a cooling unit, let me know. I would love to have it. Little entertainment system for an old school tube TV, which we obviously don't have. Come back here into the bedroom. You notice that I made the bed, because if I hadn't made the bed, my wife would have said something snotty to me about it. But bedroom has the shower right here. Going over this way, you have the bathroom door. Bathroom door swings open and actually latches so that you can shut your bedroom door. And then, of course, you have your toilet. Toilet in here. Mirror. Other mirror. And that's about it. That's what the RV looks like on the inside. Like I said, it's not an ideal situation, but no, it'll be a fine place to live for the time being. It certainly is comfortable enough. So that's what we got. Thanks for watching this video. I don't know what my next video will be. Actually, I'm looking out the window of the shop here, and it looks like the guys showed up to install the septic, which is great news. Then I can actually use this RV, take a shower, which would be incredible. Right now, I am washcloth bathing out of a 5-gallon bucket, so a shower would be very nice. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video, which may or may not be about septic getting installed. We'll see.